makeup lovers, welcome back to my channel. Today I am turning into the iconic superstar Wonder Woman. I'm doing this makeup for my 31 days of Halloween. I am super excited about this challenge, and if you want to see more Halloween makeups, make sure you come back every day on my channel because I will be posting every single day from October 1st to October 31st. It's crazy, I know, but I'm really happy to be doing this for you guys. If you want to know how I did this comic book pop art inspired, no, start over. If you want to know how I did this comic book / pop art inspired Wonder Woman, keep watching, and credits to Jordan Hands and Nikki Tutorials for the inspo. You are amazing, I love you guys. I'll leave you with the tutorial and I'll see you at the end. I'm gonna go in with a primer. I'm gonna be using NYX Studio Primer. It's called Studio Photogenic Primer. This is only the second time that I've been using it. I don't really know if I like it or if I don't care what it does, or I mean, don't see any difference, but you know, I want to use a primer because isn't that what people do? I don't know if I'm putting too much, I think I am, but yeah. You can use a primer or not, it's up to you. The thing I like about this product is the smell. Okay, it's made my skin a little bit pale, but it's fine, it's gonna be covered with foundation. Now I'm gonna go in with my L'Oreal Infaillible 24 Fresh Wear foundation. Okay. Right, foundation complete. Now I'm going to be putting on contouring, and I'm using the NYX Highlight and Contour Pro palette. I'm gonna go for, I think, this shade here because it's the closest to my skin tone. It's kind of orange. Yes, I have an orange tan. I'm gonna use this beautiful palette here. It's the Born to Glow by NYX, and I will go for this color here. Now, I want to add a little bit of blush, not too much, because I don't really like wearing blush. I don't know, it just doesn't look good on me. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of pink from my L'Oreal Infaillible Blush Paint palette, and I know I've broken two of them. My favorite ones, I'm gonna go for this one. Sorry, my face itches today. Alright, let's go and put some blush. A little bit, Sarah. Remember what I said about not putting too much blush? Well, I lied. Okay, so I realized that my brows looked a little bit messy, so I'm gonna fix that right now, but it's not gonna be a lot of work. I'm not a big fan of overdoing your eyebrows. I think eyebrows look nice when they're natural. The problem with mine is that the hairs are not growing anymore due to over tweezing, so I'm just gonna fill in the holes with some powder, and that is it. I think I'm gonna go with black powder because my eyebrows are black. Are they black? I think so. See, I don't like this trend. I'm gonna try black, and if it's too black, I'll use brown, but then brown is not the same color as my eyebrows, so. Alright, that's it. So I don't think I can do any better than this. Now, some highlight. I'm gonna use my Born to Glow palette again. For this look, I think I'm gonna go for a gold color. This one is too pale, so yeah, this one I think will go perfectly with the makeup. We'll see. Oh yes. Okay, sorry. Okay, so the first step for the eye makeup is applying a base. I'm using the NYX Professional Makeup Primer in the color of white, and there's my cat hair, unless it's about hair, but I don't think so. And I'm gonna apply it on my eyelid. Duh, because I'm doing eye makeup. I'm using my fingers, but you can use a brush. I just feel, because this is very oily, that I have a better control of the texture with my finger. Now I'm gonna go in with a brand new palette that I have never used, but which I love. I think the colors are absolutely gorgeous. It's the Rihanna palette by Fenty Beauty, and it's just wonderful combination of colors. I'm going for these two here. Now I'm going back in the crease with the darker shade, and I'm just trying to intensify the crease. Now I'm going to highlight the brow bone using my Born to Glow palette and this light gold highlight, and I will also put it in the inner corner of my eye. So I know my brows look messy and some of you are probably cringing right now. This is how I like my brows. I don't want to work on them, so deal with it. Now I'm gonna go back in with the same primer I used before, and I'm gonna put it on the inner, on my lid, so I can apply the gold eyeshadow. It's time for eyeliner, the dreaded moment. I'm gonna use the Epic Ink Liner by NYX. Now with a different eyeliner, I'm gonna go in and enhance my lid. I'm a bit scared of that step because if your hand shakes, basically you just gotta start over. It has to be a really thin and clean line. So if you are not comfortable doing this kind of stuff, I suggest you skip this step. But I'm gonna try it anyway. That's what I meant by really tricky, so I'm gonna have to go back in and fix it. Now I'm gonna use the NYX Cosmetics white eyeliner, and I'm a bit scared because in Nikki Tutorial's video she says the eyeliner cracks, and I know it does, but it's the only one I have, so I already know I'm gonna have to do some touch-ups. So if you guys have a white eyeliner that's not NYX and that doesn't crack, use this one. And let me know which one it is in the comments. This is a lot harder than it looks, guys. Alright, so I'm gonna let it dry and trace the outside of that inner corner with a black eyeliner. That's not bad. Alright, so for the lower lashes, I'm gonna go in with this color here. And now I'm going to use my Epic Ink Liner and I'm going to put it on the root of my lashes. I'm gonna do the same on the other eye, and I will come back to finish this eye look with the lashes. Okay, so now it's time to glam up a little bit with false eyelashes. Next step is going to be the lips with this beautiful suede red lipstick by NYX, color 11, and it's called Petit Talon en Aiguille or Kitten Heels. So pretty. It's a really beautiful red color. Now, sorry. Now I'm gonna use NYX SFX Cream Color in the color of black, and I'm going to outline my lips. I'm gonna go over a second time to make the black more even. Okay, so now I'm going to add the comic book pop art effect on my lips with the same eyeliner that I used for my for the inner corners of my eyes. And that's all. Okay, let's let it dry and put on the second coat because it's gonna crack, yes. And then I'm gonna do the same with a black eyeliner all over my face and highlight with the white. Forgot to do the eyebrows. Now I'm going to draw her crown thingy that she has, her iconic headdress crown. I don't know what it is, it's headband, it's whatever. So I need to put a mark here in the middle to know where it is. Yes. Now let's trace the crown. And let's make it symmetrical. Is it symmetrical? Yeah, sort of. I'm sorry, I cannot really talk well because this white liner here is cracking. I can feel it. It's making my lips really like hard. And I've already put 2 coats, so I don't want to go over again. So sorry if I don't articulate much. I'm gonna use this cream paint by NYX. I think I will use this one. Or maybe I will use the Maroon one. Should I use Maroon? Yeah, I'll use Maroon. It's almost the same color as my skin. I have gold skin. Alright, I'm not gonna fuss too much because I'm gonna wear the wig anyway, so. At this point you can either stop here and add the red star on the forehead, or if you are a detail freak like me, you can just go on and add some shade and highlight, which is what I'm going to do. I'm gonna be using my NYX Ultimate palette and I will put on the dark gold to create some shadows. Now I'm going to go in with a lighter gold on my Fancy palette. And I don't know if it's gonna work, so I'm just gonna try, and if it's not right, I will use a lighter, you can't see. If it's not light enough, I will find something else. I think I'm gonna try and make it lighter with white cream paint. And I will use the White Clown cream paint by Maroon. Put a little bit on my finger and tap it on my hand so there's not too much on my finger. Sorry, I have so much trouble speaking with the cracking eyeliner. Okay, I'm going to add a bit more comic book effect on the headdress thingy with 2 eyeliners, one black and one white. Okay, I'm gonna go over here with black because I messed it up a little bit. Alright, let's finish this look with the star in the middle of the forehead. I don't want to use a stencil or glue a star. I don't even have a star to glue anyway, so I have to paint it. I'm gonna try to use the same lipstick that I put on earlier and a detail brush. I don't know if it's gonna work. We'll find out soon enough. And now I'm going to apply a little bit of red eyeshadow on top of it to make sure that it's matte and even. That's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. I had a lot of fun creating this Wonder Woman makeup. It's perfect for Halloween or any costume party. Thank you very much for watching and see you tomorrow with another Halloween makeup. Bye.